Show me how to splash. How do you do it?
On my feet.
What are you doing with your feet?
My feet.
In what? What's that called? It's called a puddle.
Paddle, paddle, paddle. I paddle. I paddle.
You puddle?
Yes.
Carly, are there fish in that puddle? No. No, there's no fish in the puddle. Poor Lila. I think we need to help her. Lila, you need a pillow.
Where's her pillow, Mom?
I don't know. I'll have to get it. Carly, can you say a message to Aunt Shannon and Mary? Can you say, thank you for my shoes?
Thank you for my shoes.
Say, I miss you.
I miss you.
Now I can play in the puddles.
Can I play in puddles?
Because I don't have to wear Crocs.
I have wear Crocs.
We have new used shoes.
I have new shoes.
Hey, Carly.
What?
What's that thing over there that Uncle Mark drives?
No.
What's it called?
No.
What is it? What's that thing right there?
I know. Mambo-mower.
The mambo-mower? Is that how he cuts our grass? We love Uncle Mark too, huh? I love you.
I love Mima.
You love Meemaw?
Yes.
Meemaw loves you too. Say, I'll see you soon.
I see you soon.
Have a good day.
Have a good day.
Buenas noches.
Gonna have tea. And pull my hair off.
Why are you pulling your hair bow out?
Pull my hair out.
Ouch. You need help.
I'm
Come here.
doing this.
Come here. Come here. It's stuck. You got too many curls in your hair.